Welcome to another home garden video from Tamara's Garden. I'm Tamara, and today I will be sharing some of the house plants and also some care tips. So let's do another garden video. Stay tuned until the end, and also don't forget to subscribe if you are a new friend. Friends, this is spider plant, one of the air purifier plant, and these are the spider babies. So when you want to make free plants out of the spider plant, what you got to do is simply remove the spider babies from the mother plant. These are the node areas of the spider babies. So simply remove them and you will have a free plant. So this is how you propagate the spider plant. Put them in water, or else you can put it directly in soil, or in the same plant you can put and make free plants. So here I am putting it in the small plant to make a free plant. So when you have free plants, either you can give them, you can give it to a friend or a family member. These are air purifier plants. This is a wandering Jew plant. Take a small cutting. And here's a small cutting. You can simply make a free plant out of it from this cutting. So very easy to multiply these plants, especially during this monsoon season. You can put it in simply in soil. Now I put it in the same plant, and you can multiply them very easily. And a simple method of making the plants bushy look also. So when you put another cutting, take another cutting and put it in the same pot, friends, so that it will look bushy, because when you put small cuttings together in the same plant, it will give a bushy look. So very easy to propagate this plant also. This is another beautiful house plant. Keep it in the shade. This is Dracaena plant, and I'm going to take a cutting today. I'm going to prune it. I'm going to take a cutting from this, and also I'm going to propagate it. So now here I have a cutting of Dracaena, and without any rooting hormone, I'm going to put it in the same pot. I'm going to put it in the same pot. It will give a bushy look, friends. Very easy to propagate this plant, especially during the monsoon season. These are my coleus, and some of the leaves are drooping due to the rain. Look at this. So now today I'm going to make a cutting of this plant also, and I will put it in the same pot so that it will look so bushy. Keep these plants in the shade. So here, long leggy coleus, I'm going to do 3 cuttings, and here's a cutting, and I'm going to put it in the same pot in order to give them a bushy look. So let's take another cutting from that and let go of the below leaves, the bottom leaves, and you can simply insert in the same pot. So likewise, from cuttings you can grow many plants. Take a cutting of Aralia plant as well. This is Aralia plant, you can grow from cuttings. So now I'm going to select a healthy stem. These cuttings will help the plant to grow as well. Once you make a cutting, there will be a lot of growth in the stems. Here is the cutting I have, and I'm going to put it in the same plant. So this is a medium to large pot, and this plant will grow even without fertilizer. One of most easiest plants to grow, money plants, and everybody's favorite. So when you want to propagate them, you can do it very easily. Take a stem with a node area. From the node area you can cut and put it in water, or else directly in soil. Even a small leaf will be enough, but make sure there is a node appearing in that, and put it in direct soil. Soil should be well draining and keep it in the shade. Very easy to grow, very simple and beautiful. This is Monstera Swiss cheese. If you want to make a free plant out of it, easy to propagate from the node area. So these are the node areas. If I cut it from here, I have another plant. At the moment I don't like cutting this plant because I love it and I want it to grow healthily and bushily. So some other time I will do an update of propagating this beautiful Monstera Swiss cheese. This is Syngonium, friends. To propagate it, you'll have to take a cutting from here. This is the node area and you can see almost it's rooting. So you can make another free plant out of this. So they are beautiful house plants and very beautiful variegations too. Variety of philodendron. Cuttings can be taken from here. Look at this. This is the root. And you can make a free plant easily with a single leaf. Take a small cutting of a leaf from the snake plant and put it inside the same pot. You can see I have already put one and still I have not seen the baby plants appearing, so I have to wait some more time. So these plants also take a little bit time to grow. It will take about 3 weeks to roots to appear, so you'll have to be patient. And this is another beautiful house plant and also one of the air purifier plant. Aloe vera also you can grow with a single leaf and also you can divide and multiply. Now you can see there are many baby plants in the same pot and here also I have 2. So you can very easily multiply them with dividing. So they are very beneficial also having in garden. This is a great rooting hormone and also good in skincare and hair care. So aloe vera is a must-have medicinal plant in your garden, a beautiful house plant. Do not worry about the sunlight for this plant because even if you keep it in the shade, they will grow. This is with my personal experience because we know that aloe vera is a succulent, but you can grow it in the shade also. So time to time keeping it the plant outside is a must. They will also expose to the sunlight and also natural air and also the wind. Those are necessary for the plants to grow. So make sure you always shift your house plants once a week outdoors as well. So friends, I covered up about home garden plants which are very easy to propagate and how to propagate them, how to make free plants, double your plants either to give them or to have it in your garden as another plant. So these are small things you can apply in your garden. These are garden tips from Tamara's Garden. So if you are a new friend, consider subscribing and also don't forget to become a member of my channel. Thanks for watching and thanks for visiting. See you soon with another video. Thank you.